And then Allah comes in the end of the verse and says, وَمَا الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا مَتَاعُ الْغُرُورِ. He said, but let it be known that all these attractive things in the world are just a deceit. Mata'al gurur, it's a deceit. See, like the power and position that Mr. Trump thought that he will have forever, he got deceived. He got deceived. So a lot of us, when you look at Trump and you try to find faults in Trump, put a mirror and look at yourself also and say, do I talk like him? Do I hate people like him? Do I put down poor people like him? Do I don't like immigrants like him? Do I fire people like him? Do I insult people like him? Trump was known for the best man to fire people. Congress wants to fire him. See how it works? That's how Allah teaches. And I have nothing against Trump. I pray Allah give him hidayah and remove the arrogance. But you see, a lot of us need to look into a mirror and see we have that same attitude of Trump. And look at the news and see how it happens and reflect. These things happen. Death happens for us to learn. Things happen for us to learn. Samajh gaya? These things happen. And think about it, somebody in that position, highest political position, financially, authority, snap of a finger. Allah can make things happen. So let us live a nice life. So all the enemies that he made and the people he insulted and the people he fired, what happens now? See the bad thing? That's the problem. So when we get old and we reach our stage, we have to always have a good loving relationship. And that's what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us to live that life. That when we go back into that clay, we will not be a burden.